Alright, now we got the second contestant, Althea, that thrasher, with that tail stall. Rock Fakey. Fake to rock. Rock Fakey. What's Fakey to rock? Oh. One of these times you gotta step off the tail stall, okay? Gotta get that on video. Yeah, you can get it. Yeah! That tail stall.